Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how to stream Nintendo Switch on Discord. If you wanna go ahead and stream Nintendo Switch on your Discord, then you have to follow the steps. Now, first thing first, open up a browser and log into your Nintendo Switch account. So first thing, I'm gonna go ahead and press the link or type in the link that is nintendo.com/us/switch. Once you've actually done it, so click the login button, enter in your credential, and this is gonna log you into your account. Once done with that, you wanna go ahead and log into your Discord. Next thing, what you want to do is once logged into your Discord, press or open the server that you want to go ahead and stream on. Then you could, at the bottom of the screen, you could find the streaming session or the share screen option. You just have to go ahead and press it. Unfortunately, the following feature isn't available in my case, so I cannot show you the screen share feature. What you need to do is just press that option, and next thing you want to do is select Nintendo Switch. Go through the list of criteria and accordingly run the application, and that way you'll be able to stream Nintendo Switch on your Discord. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.